In some Windows forms, the form may not stick to the sides of the screen, while many big applications have this feature. Welcome to Simple Training. In this video, I'll show you how to create a form that can snap to page borders. First, I design a normal form. You can see that it does not stick to the margins of the page. Now, just set these form properties. It is better to use this rule for all your forms. By using this work, you can use the desktop environment well. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.